Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering things up. Make sure the case and earbuds have a charge so they can advertise. Once done, open Bluetooth settings and start a scan immediately because range is limited. Move slowly through the area where you last used them while watching the list for the Hoco name or a changing RSSI value. If you see a matching BLE device, note signal strength and direction. This quick scan saves time and confirms whether the earbuds are still nearby and discoverable. You now refine your location by monitoring signal strength. RSSI tells you distance. Less negative is closer, so use a BLE app if needed. Once you have a reading, walk in short steps and pause to observe changes, and make sure to remove obvious interference like metal or Wi-Fi routers. Change how you hold the phone. Sometimes rotating the antenna or raising it a foot uncovers a stronger signal. These deliberate moves let you triangulate and narrow down a room, couch cushion, or pocket. You finish by checking the precise hiding places. Lift cushions, look under furniture, and use a flashlight for crevices. Visual search complements signal work. If the earbuds show offline, note the last seen time and immediately retrace your route. Battery drain or being inside a bag can make them invisible. If nothing works, try resetting Bluetooth pairs and testing with another phone. If hardware seems faulty or no signal ever appears, contact the manufacturer for warranty or repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.